Two people walk into the same AI revolution. Same tools, same access to ChatGPT, same access to information, same opportunities in front of them. One of them builds a multi-million-dollar business in 18 months. The other is still trying to figure out if AI is going to take their job. What's the difference? It's not intelligence. It's not resources. It's not even luck. It's how they think. And here's what scares me. Most people are approaching AI with the exact same mindset that worked in the old world. The world of credentials, job security, and playing it safe. That mindset, it's not just outdated. It's actively holding you back. Because the people who are winning right now, the founders building billion-dollar companies, the creators exploding their audiences, the professionals 10xing their output, they're not smarter than you. They just think differently. And if you don't shift how you think, you're not just going to miss the opportunity. You're going to watch everyone else pass you by. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to break down the exact mental frameworks that separate the winners from the watchers in the AI era. You'll discover why skills alone won't save you anymore, and what actually matters instead. How the top founders are adapting at lightning speed, while everyone else is still debating. And the one mindset shift that will determine whether you thrive or just survive in the next decade. This isn't theory. This is based on studying the people who are actually winning right now. Let's dive in. Here's the first massive difference in thinking. Most people look at AI and ask, is this going to replace me? Winners ask, how can I use this to become irreplaceable? Let me tell you about a copywriter I know. When ChatGPT launched, half her industry panicked. AI can write now, we're done. But she had a different reaction. She spent 2 weeks learning how to use AI tools, not to replace her writing, but to amplify it. Now, she uses AI to generate first drafts, research competitors, analyze data, and test dozens of headline variations in minutes. She went from writing 5 ads a day to overseeing 50. Her income tripled because she's no longer selling her time. She's selling her judgment and creativity, powered by AI leverage. That's the shift. The old mindset says, I need to protect what I have. The new mindset says, I need to multiply what I'm capable of. And here's the thing, this applies whether you're an employee, a freelancer, or a founder. The people who see AI as a tool to enhance their unique human abilities will always beat the people who see it as competition. Because AI can do a lot, but it can't replicate your taste, your relationships, or your strategic thinking. Not yet, anyway. The winners know this, and they're using AI to focus on the parts of their work that actually require being human. Next, and this is huge, winners in the AI era move fast. I used to be obsessed with getting everything perfect before I launched anything. I'd spend weeks planning, researching, and overthinking. By the time I was ready, the opportunity had passed. Then I started studying successful AI founders, and I noticed a pattern. They launch messily, they iterate in public, they test ideas in days, not months. There's a founder who built an AI productivity tool. His first version was barely functional. It had bugs. The design was rough. But he put it out there anyway. Within a week, he had 500 users. They gave him feedback. He fixed the biggest issues and relaunched in 72 hours. 6 months later, he's doing $100K a month in revenue. He didn't wait for perfect. He optimized for learning speed. And that's the mindset shift. In a world where AI is evolving every single week, the person who experiments fastest wins. Because here's the truth, perfection is a moving target now. By the time you've built the perfect product, someone else has already shipped 3 versions and learned what actually works. The winners aren't the smartest. They're the ones who iterate the fastest. Speed is the new intelligence. Let's talk about something that's making a lot of people uncomfortable. In the old world, credentials mattered. Degrees, certifications, years of experience. Those were the signals that you were valuable. In the AI era, they're becoming almost irrelevant. Here's why. AI has democratized access to knowledge. Anyone can learn anything fast. The barrier isn't information anymore, it's execution. I know a 22-year-old who never finished college. He taught himself AI and automation, built a portfolio of projects, and landed a $150K job at a tech startup. Not because of a degree, because he could deliver results. Meanwhile, I know people with MBAs and decades of experience who are struggling to stay relevant because they're still thinking in terms of titles and credentials instead of outcomes. The winners have made a mental shift. They don't ask, what do I need to have? They ask, what do I need to do? They focus on building things, solving problems, creating value people will pay for. That's the mindset. Not I need to get certified in AI, but I need to use AI to build something people want. And if you're watching this thinking, but I don't have the background, around? Good. That means you're not weighed down by outdated frameworks. You can move faster than the people who are still clinging to the old world. Here's the fourth shift, and honestly, this might be the most important one. Winners in the AI era don't think of learning as something you do once and then you're done. They see it as a constant loop. I used to think, I'll learn this skill, master it, and then I'm set. That doesn't work anymore. The skills that matter today might be commoditized by AI in 6 months. So what do? You build a learning system, a way of staying adaptable. The top founders I've studied don't just learn AI tools. They learn how to learn fast. They follow the right people. They experiment daily. They treat every project as a chance to build a new skill. One entrepreneur told me, "I assume everything I know has a shelf life of about 18 months, so I'm always learning the next thing before I need it." That's the mindset. You're not trying to master one thing forever. You're trying to stay perpetually curious and adaptable, because the people who win in this era aren't the ones with the most knowledge. They're the ones who can acquire and apply new knowledge the fastest. If you're not learning something new every week, you're falling behind. Now, let's talk about what can go wrong, because there are traps here. Trap hack 1. Confusing activity with progress. Just because you're busy learning AI tools doesn't mean you're moving forward. The winners aren't collecting skills like Pokemon cards. They're applying what they learn immediately to create value. Trap hack 2. Waiting for clarity. A lot of people are sitting on the sidelines waiting to figure out their AI strategy. Here's the hard truth. You won't figure it out by thinking. You'll figure it out by doing. The clarity comes through action, not planning. Trap hashtag 3. Thinking. You can outsource your thinking. AI is a tool. It's not a replacement for your judgment, creativity, or vision. The people who try to let AI do all the work end up with generic, mediocre results. The winners use AI to enhance their own thinking, not replace it. Let's recap. The people who win in the AI era think differently in 4 key ways. 1. They see AI as leverage, not a threat. They use it to multiply their capabilities. 2. They move fast. They prioritize speed over perfection and iterate in public. 3. They focus on outcomes, not credentials. They build things and deliver results instead of collecting degrees. 4. They treat learning as continuous. They're always adapting, always evolving. These aren't just mindsets. They're competitive advantages. And here's the beautiful part. You can adopt every single one of these today, right now. No permission needed. So here's my challenge to you. Pick one mindset from this video, just one, and commit to living it this week. Maybe it's using AI to leverage your work. Maybe it's shipping something imperfect just to get feedback. Maybe it's learning one new skill and applying it immediately. Whatever it is, do it. Don't just watch this and nod along. Take action, because the gap between the people who adapt and the people who don't is growing every single day. And a year from now, you're either going to look back and be glad you started today, or you're going to wish you had. The choice is yours. If this video shifted something for you, hit that like button. Subscribe if you want more content on thriving in the AI era. We're just getting started here. And drop a comment. Which mindset resonated with you most? I read every single one. Thanks for watching. Now go out there and start thinking like a winner.